loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adama and I'm so glad that you guys clicked on this video because I'm about to show you how to achieve these voluminous waves in just under 35 minutes. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to get this done. So to get started, you're gonna need some combs. You're obviously gonna need your rollers. I have the Beachy Wave Maker Kit. You're also going to want to fill up your spray bottle with some water, and you're also going to need a hair clip or two to help you when you're sectioning off your hair. Each kit will come with some instructions. You're going to want to read this so that you can determine how long you need to heat your rollers up for. Faster than heatless curlers, Steamplex creates nano steam to deeply penetrate and condition your hair continuously for fast, healthy waves in under 30 minutes. After activating in the microwave, the micro steam sets the hair while delivering moisture into the cuticle, which conditions the hair, creating a remarkable, healthy shine. Let's get into it. So now we're going to begin to section our hair. The kit comes with 8 rollers. So I'm going to do 4 on the left side and 4 on the right side. Also, I'm achieving this look on old blown out flat ironed hair. So your hair doesn't have to be bone straight to achieve this look. It just needs to be lightly flat ironed or blown out. And here I'm just going to take a little bit of argan oil on each section. The directions do not call for using an oil, but my hair was a little dry, so I wanted to go ahead and coat my hair with a little bit of the argan oil in addition to that good old H2O. So now we're going to begin to roll our hair. As you can see, these rollers are a little bit different than the Curls and Waves kit that I used in my Get Ready With Me video. For these rollers, you want to place your hand through the band and hold the roller. You then want to take the roller over to the opposite side of your head. Hold the roller against your scalp and apply the compression band and just repeat to the next section. So we're going to do this again. I'm going to hold the roller against my scalp and I'm going to keep on rolling until all of the hair is wrapped around the roller. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the compression band, almost like you're kind of putting your hair in a ponytail. So I just finished the first half of my hair and we're going to go ahead and move on to the next section. Look at my little pigtail. Moving on to the next section, you're going to want to repeat the steps by putting your last 4 rollers in the container, and you're going to want to spritz your rollers 4 to 6 times. If you're wondering how long I heat my rollers up, I heated them up for about 2 minutes. Look at all that good steam coming from these rollers. Now that we're all done putting in these rollers, we are going to let these bad boys set for 35 minutes. Yes, I said 35 minutes. So I'm going to take these out. see what we got. That's pretty. Look at these waves, y'all. The fact that I got these curls in 35 minutes is always mind-blowing to me. Look at that. So I am not going, look at the shine. Honey, do you see what's happening right now? Look at that. Look at the definition and the shine. Like, come on now. Going in with my wide tooth comb, I just want to lightly separate the roots so that you don't see the parts. But the key to this style is not separating this hair. If you separate it too much, you are going to get frizz. So to avoid that, do not separate your hair too much. Girl, these waves are giving me everything right now. Everything. Just look at the shine that I got with these rollers. You guys have to try it. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. I have about 2 videos already on my channel using these rollers. They are wonderful. I love them. If you're interested in purchasing this Wrapcurl Moisture Styler kit in the Beachy wave, I'm going to leave a nice little discount in the description box. Wrapcurl was nice enough to send me this kit so that I can do a nice little review for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in buying it, what are your thoughts? If you have any questions, feel free to, leave it in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye.